Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and today I'm going to talk about what you can do with the YouTube interface as a watcher. This was a request by one of my friends, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Loom like I like to do with the tech tutorials, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your experience. All right, follow me there. Actually, all right, follow me there. So here we are. And so here is the plain window right here. And this is actually for desktop because I think that other iPhones and tablets have something different. But if you're on this, so first thing I'm going to talk about is going to full screen. So that's how I do my reaction videos. I always go to full screen. And then you can just click out right here to bring it back, exit. There we go. Now here's another option, is the theater mode. And I don't really use that much, but oh yeah. So it looks like you're in the movie theater. So that's the other one. And then the other one is this. So I'm going to go click back go back. Yep, get out of here. Boom. And go back to here. That's the default view. So it's the little one. And then if you want to watch it small, it does that. So you get that in the small. See if I can go back to that. Yep, there we are. So we're back to that. Now here's the thing that's really interesting. Right here, these are the settings. So what you can do is you can have different playback speed. So if you want, you can, if you really want to listen to something and you want to hear it really fast, this is normal. So we're going to go and see the different speeds. Here we go.
Hello there, my name is Valerie White.
I'm already really a fast speaker, so that's kind of crazy. I don't know, I'm going to play around with this. Let's make it really fast. It's going to be super crazy. Here we go.
Mistakes for newcomers to YouTube. So I'm going to go through them one at a time, and usually they're misunderstandings, so let's get into it.
Okay, so that kind of can be helpful. If you want to listen to something really fast, you can certainly do that. Okay, and we also can slow it down. So if you don't hear what you're going to say, so I'm going to put it right here. Here it is slow.
So number one is not being focused.
Yep. So that's something you can always focus on. So I'm going to go back and put it normal. I'm going to play playback speed right here. All right. We also have what we call the subtitles. Now I'm starting to put subtitles on all my videos, but you can turn them on or off, or you can also have other ones. So sometimes if you're watching a video that is from another country, there might be several different languages. So I've also had to learn to check that and see if there's, transcripts that are translated when I'm watching videos from other countries. So you just have these auto-generated, so you can turn them off if they're annoying, or you can keep them on right there. And so not everybody has captions, but it's worthwhile to check. So that's where you're going to find them. And then this is the other thing that's interesting, is the quality. So sometimes the different browsers will set the video quality in a low version. So sometimes it's going to be showing up like here, and it's not as good, it's not as high def. And then if you find that's happening, you can put it back to here. Now I'm on the Chrome browser, and it seems like the Chrome browser typically goes to the highest definition possible, but some of the other browsers don't. So that's a place where you want to see the more high definition. And then right here is the captions. There you go. And so it says right there, boom, English. So that's where you're going to find those captions if you're watching something that's from another country. They don't always have it, but that's the way you can access that. So I hope you found that's helpful, and follow me back. All right, so I hope that was helpful for you to know how to customize your YouTube viewing experience. I'm always learning. And if you like this content, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell. And let me know in the comments what other things that you would like me to talk about. Or have you had some other experiences using the YouTube player? All right, and also I want to let you know of my free Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies. And that's where I do coaching online for people in that group, and I post all of my videos in there as well. And you can find all the information about that below in the description. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.